Hello, my lovelies. I can't recall if this is my first video I'm recording in my new studio or not. It's not fully set up yet, hence no art behind me, but we have officially moved to our new building and we have gotten this month's BoxyCharm. So, yeah, that is what we're doing right now. Get this opened up and see what goodies they sent us. I do have a little bit of a cold today. It's kicking my butt. It's not COVID. I was tested and vaccinated and all that. Alright, so BoxyCharm Spellbound for October. We have a Tarte Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. Nice. Retails $35. Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. I love when I get palettes. It's always fun. That one retails for $35. Tint Beauty Lash and Brow Duo. I always love to get stuff for my brows. $29. And then Kamara Onique Beauty Mary Lash. So I think this is lashes, I think. Cool. And then Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner. So it's a liquid liner that you can use to apply lashes. So here we go. We have the lashes by Kamara Onique. Lashes. And those are nice. I will probably give this to someone else because I don't wear lashes daily, but those are really cute. And then we have, oh no, it's damaged. That's so sad. Ugh. Don't be damaged. It's Tarte C Wink of H2O. It's a vegan collagen eye cream. It's got peptides, 24-hour hydration. It's got caffeine, which is good because it does tighten up the skin. And for external use, a bunch of warnings. I'm not seeing. Oh, wow. Okay. The ingredients they wrote in this super pale. You guys can't even see. It's super, super light color. You're like, what are my ingredients, man? I need like a magnifying glass and all kinds of stuff. I'm like, I don't know if I could use you. There's bark. Dude, I'm like, can't. Even with the new glasses, I'm like, that is just too fucking small and too light. Alright, adhesive liquid liner, jet black. I kind of want to try this out and see how well it works and just check it out. So it is cruelty free. That's cool. So apply adhesive liquid liner to lash line. Apply to become tacky. Allow to become tacky. Apply faux lashes. Cool. I'm going to definitely check that out. And then we have the lash and brow duo. So is it? Oh, okay. So you could use it black side right here is for your eyelashes. And the brown side here is for your eyebrows. So that's kind of cool because I use brow and that's clever. I kind of like that. I will keep that one for myself. This seems to be a good color for me. And last but not least is our cute little palette. Ace Beauty Falling For You. Oh, it's all fall. The package. Oh, it's all gold and sparkly. Well, not sparkly, it's shiny. Oh, these are pretty colors. These are colors I actually personally very much enjoy to use. And it's got a little bit of a glittery, they're not quite glitter, they're just very shimmery pigments. Yeah, these are colors I will play with. So I'm gonna touch it because I'm gonna take it home for myself. And they're very kind of soft and pretty decent pigment too. Ooh, I like. Let's try one of these little shimmeries. Shimmer, 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 shimmer. Hey, nice. Not bad. Ooh, cool. I'm going to play with that when I get home. And there you guys have it. A very quick little one. And I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're having fun getting ready for Halloween and been hopefully doing something fall related. I haven't even finished decorating my house. I haven't decorated my studio. I do have my costume picked out though, so I might be able to wear it for a video this month. We shall see. But I will try to do something fun between now and Halloween just so you get something fun from me. So, anyways, until next time, I will talk to you all later.